Good morning, students. In previous class, I had solved your problem and I had told that to make unit test paper. This unit test paper is very important for you because all the questions of previous exercise have been taken in unit test paper. So you can certainly solve this exercise. I am also solving some more problems of this exercise. First number question of unit test paper, section A. What must be subtracted from minus 48 to get 13? माइनस 48 में से कितना घटाया जाए कि 13 प्राप्त हो? लेट द रिक्वायर्ड नंबर बी एक्स. लेट द रिक्वायर्ड नंबर be x. Then according to question minus 48 minus x is equal to 13. According to question we can write for the given expression, what must be subtracted from minus 48 to get 13? And getting 13, we subtract number x. After subtracting, we can write minus 48 minus 13 is equal to x. या x is equal to adding minus 61. Hence the required number is equal to minus 61. We have asked what must be subtracted from minus 48 to get 13. To get 13, we subtract required number x, and after subtracting we find that x is equal to minus 61. Hence the minus 61 must be subtracted to get 13. And question number 3 of section A, 3 of question number 3 of section A, the difference of integer a and minus 10 is 5. We have to find the value of a. Difference of integer a and minus 10. According to question, difference of integer a and minus 10, a and minus 10. We write symbol minus because in question difference is given. The difference of integer a and minus 10 is equal to 5. Solving a plus 10 is equal to 5. Yeah, a is equal to half minus 10 is equal to half minus 10 is equal to minus 5. Hence the value of a is equal to minus 5. This is your answer. you have learnt in previous exercise, you have solved, and now in question number section B, I am going to solve from section B. Section B. In section B, choose the correct answer in each of the following. What must be added to minus 26 to get minus 18? What must be added to minus 26 to get minus 18? Let the required number be x. 8th number of section B. Let the number be x. Let the number be x. Then according to question, minus 26 plus x is equal to minus 26 plus x is equal to minus 18. What must be added to minus 26 to get minus 18? Let the number be x. Then according to question, minus 26 plus x is equal to minus 18. By question, yeah, x is equal to 26 minus 18 is equal to 8. Hence the number is equal to 8. In this way, you can try to solve the question. One more question I am going to solve from section C. From section C. Section C. In section C, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. 15 number question. 15 number question. 55 divided by dot dot is equal to minus 55. Is equal to minus 55. We have to fill in the blanks. We have to find the missing number. 55 is divided by, let the number be x. Yeah, let number be x. Then 55 by x is equal to minus 55. Yeah, x is equal to 55 by minus 55 is equal to minus 1. Hence the number is equal to minus 1. Similarly, you can solve all questions of this exercise because you have learnt before, so you will not face trouble. And after that, I am going to task you to read chapter 2, fractions. In next class, I will start fraction. Thank you.